For thousands of years, gold has served as money, not because governments declared it so, but because people trust it. Unlike paper currencies, gold cannot be printed, inflated away, or created with the click of a mouse. Today, governments around the world face record debt levels, persistent budget deficits, and currencies that continue to lose purchasing power over time. Some economists and politicians like Ron Paul believe that if confidence in fiat currencies were ever seriously challenged, policymakers could eventually turn back to gold as part of a new monetary framework. But there's one problem. At today's gold price, there simply isn't enough value in official gold reserves to support even a portion of the modern financial system. That's where the idea of a major gold revaluation comes in. Depending on whether analysts compare official gold reserves to the US monetary base, M2 money supply, or broader measures of global liquidity, some calculations suggest gold would need to trade somewhere between $10,000 and more than $50,000 per ounce. One commonly cited estimate lands around $38,000 per ounce. This isn't a traditional price forecast based on mining supply or jewelry demand. It's a theoretical revaluation price that could restore significant monetary value to the world's gold reserves if governments ever decided to partially back currencies with gold again.